Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to get bot lobbies in Fortnite. Now, what you need to do to get a guaranteed bot lobby is you need to create a new account here on Epic Games, okay? Come here, click on sign in and just create a new account instead, okay? Or you can also, of course, create a new console profile for your Xbox, your PlayStation, your Switch, and then you link that, right? Click here on create an account, and then what you do is just log into Fortnite with that account, the new account on any device. And then what you do is you add your main account as a friend, right? And you invite your main account to a party using the new account as the party leader. Remember, you need to be the party leader. You start a duo or a squad game with the new account as a leader. Once you're in the match, you just use your main account to play normally and you let the bot fill lobby, make things easier for you. It's really that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.